So how can you use the iPhone storage for Notes app instead of iCloud on your iPhone? Let's explain that. But if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So what you need to do is to open up your settings app of the iPhone, and at the top of the list, you should be able to see your name with the profile picture. So click on this, which will make this section open up, then proceed to the iCloud section. And from the iCloud apps right here, you need to find the Notes, right? So you can basically just find the Notes app, turn it off right here, meaning that you stop the synchronization and uploading your notes to iCloud, right? So you will basically disconnect it from the internet, making sure that everything you type in and write into your notes is only going to stay on the iPhone itself. This might be a good thing. Obviously, you're using your iPhone storage for it, but if you, for example, lose access to it or something happens, you don't have a backup of your notes. So either regularly back it up to some other place or ensure that you don't really care if you lost access to those files. Obviously, you shouldn't or anything, but I'm just mentioning all of the caveats and aspects to using the Notes app without iCloud. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you and share in this video. So if you have more questions, leave them below as usual. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.